At Palo Alto City Library, we recently built an agricultural robot FarmBot. This is the first time the library built a robot from scratch, and the project showcased our community's talent, creativity, and spirit.
Hi, we are the Space Cookies, FRC Robotics Team 1868 and Girl Scout Troop 62868. Our lab is located at the NASA Ames Research Center in Mountain View. Our team has 62 girls from 22 different high schools. We participate in many different STEM-based outreach events every year and are excited to help the library with our new FarmBot outreach project. Building the FarmBot has been very fun, and we thank the library for giving us the opportunity to bring a new robot to Palo Alto.
Hi, my name is Anjali and I worked mostly on the moving components and the wheels of the FarmBot. And one challenge we faced was that the wheels here were not moving as swiftly as they could on the FarmBot and they were getting stuck in the treads. So how we fixed that is we used a type of washer called an eccentric spacer. And this is a type of washer that is different lengths at each angle of the spacer. And it let us adjust the length so it can move swiftly along the track instead of getting stuck. So the eccentric spacers work by having different widths and different thicknesses on each side of the spacer, and that lets the wheel sit higher up or lower down based on how we adjust it, which lets us move the wheels along the track more smoothly.
Hi, I'm Katherine, and I worked mainly on the belts and some of the wiring on the FarmBot. I'll introduce a bit about some of the cabling. Over here, we have cabling for the power supply and also the water supply. Up here, this cable carrier carries the most cables because it carries some of the cables for tools as well as for the motors. And over here, we have the cables for the tools. When we were working with these cable carriers, there are little tabs inside, and we had to take each one of the tabs out and then lay all the cabling in and then put each of the tabs back in to make sure that everything stayed organized.
Hi, my name is Paige, and I mostly worked on the planter blocks for this FarmBot project. One problem we faced during this project was keeping the wires inside the electrical box organized. And one way we overcame this challenge was to use foam spacers inside the box that would keep the wires evenly spaced and neatly organized.